So this is California Closets from Amazon. I think, I don't know, she bought it from somewhere. There's the information on it. So that's the company. And these are all the boxes that we got. And I've got to take them all apart and check them out and see what's in there. All right, so here's this one. I've taken all the straps off. But apparently, it doesn't open so easy. Let's see. I cut them with the cutter. And yeah. All right, so I've got a little bit more cutting to do. All right, so here, I'm gonna open that up. This is the hard part, getting the damn box open. There we go. All right, we got one open. Let's take a look at it. See what. Oh my God, this is gonna be a big job. We got one open, and here it is. So, here's the directions. We're definitely gonna need these. And this shows how it all goes together. Oh my God, this is gonna be insane. Wow, I got my work cut out for me, definitely. All right, so I've opened up a couple boxes. You can see there's shelves. They're all press board. Some connectors. There's definitely a lot of direction here. A lot of direction that we've got to go through. So this is what we're getting ourselves into right here. This is the thing that we're going to do. It's a basic share kit. All right. So we've got two of these that go up. We've got two on the side, and then we have this one in the middle. And that's how it's going to look when we put it in there. I mean, look, here's the breakdown of it. Okay, and these are the things you're going to need to do it. Ah! And so this gives you another little schematic. So we've got a lot of planning to do and a lot of measuring. So if you're going to do this, guys, you're definitely going to need to put your thinking cap on, for sure. So what I did is I consolidated these. They were basically the exact same thing, but two boxes. So I've got 4 of these. I've got 4 of those. I've got 2 of these. And then we have all of the hardware for each set here and here. And there's 2 of those long things with holes in them. And I've got 6 of the shelving right here. So that's those 2. Those are the 2 large sets. So we've got those ready to go. Now we just got to open these. All right, let's see what's in here. You got to be careful when you cut them, right? Because you don't want to cut the product. So let's see what's in here. See what I mean? You know, there's the shelves right there. And I think this is just 2 shelves. All right, so, but there is some hardware that comes with it. So we'll set those to the side. All right, so let's get these open too. Right, let's set that down. I don't cut my finger. So you can see, I just want to show you what a pain in the butt it is to get these things open. You see that? Okay, I'm done. And these are basically just 2 shelves. I mean, they used all that wrapping for nothing. So these are the shelves in here. I mean, they do pack it pretty good. They got the styrofoam in here, right? And this is, no, it's 3 shelves, okay? So basically, I'm just trying to get rid of all this, and we're gonna stack everything over here like I did those 2 shelves and try to make some room, because I need the room to get this thing done. And you can see one of the shelves is shorter than the other. You follow me? And look, there's some notches on it. So we've got to set this. I think I'm going to pull this one over there. All right, so this one comes with one of these pegboards. See the notch in it. And then there's a longer board and 2 of these shorter ones here. So I'm just going to stack them all over there. All right, so we're getting there. We got some. This is another 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves in this box. And they come with these, this hardware. So you get, I'm going to set the hardware on there. I may tape it down. This goes to these ones over here, so you don't want to mess up the hardware, right? So this one's good. And as I said, these are a pain in the butt to open. Turn my fingernails off. See what I mean? Bam. One side done. See if we can get this side up. There we go. All right, we're looking good. Looking good. Oh my God. This box here looks like the exact same thing as that one over there. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna stack this on top of that one. Yeah, this box was the exact same. 2 of those pinhole ones, 2 of these longer ones, and 2 of these side shelves. So, and no hardware. So, I mean, I looked through, there's no hardware. But yeah, we're getting there. We're down to 3 boxes. This is what we've got out so far. Oh, this is a puzzle. This is gonna be a puzzle. All right, Santa, what do we got here? This one looks really complicated. Oh my God, what the hell? What is going on here? This is gonna be a nightmare. I may have to keep all this stuff right in here. All right, so when you do these, make sure that when you throw this stuff out, you don't throw out the hardware. Because look, this is all the hardware here, right? These things you don't need, this you don't need, that you don't need, you know? And everything else, man, you're gonna need. So you don't wanna be halfway through your job and find out that, oh shoot, I'm missing some parts. All right, so in this one here, we've got, everything seems to be vacuum packed. It's a bunch of, this must be drawers. This is a drawer. Yeah. So these are drawers. That is going to be tough. That's going to be a challenge. Santa, we're down to 2. So far, so good. What is this? Why do these things not want to open up? Oh, shit. All this is the bars. All right, let's set them there. That's to hang your clothes on there. Is there anything else in there? That's it? Okay. All right. Last but not least, we got, oh, more drawers. Okay, so that's the same thing as this. That's just the exact same thing. I might just leave it in there for now. And because this is just what we got. All right, so these are your California closet. I just opened it up. And this is the bigger part of it. These are the shorter ones. This is the little pole that you got to put in between, but she only got 1 of them. I would think she would have 2. Oh, wait a minute. There's a bunch there. Okay, we got enough. All right, all the hardware's with it. Now I just got to figure out how to do it. Oh my God. All right, so anyway, I've consolidated everything. I put those 2 boxes there. The 2 boxes of drawers right here well, those are 2 of those hanging devices, and there's 4 more over there. We've got our smaller shelves there, our bigger shelves there, and then we have our center piece here. And this is going to go on either side of those 2. I think 1 goes in the middle with all these drawers. And we're going to just try to put it together and see how we do. This is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it on this wall. I just painted this room. And I'm going to have to find all the studs along here, mark them. I got to get the height on it. We put that 1 railing up, and then you start putting your pieces on. It's not really that difficult. It's not really that difficult. You just have to be good at measuring. So I think we're going to have fun doing it. You see these? This is what goes up to hold everything. So you got to make sure that you get these in studs and good anchors on them. See these little ridges right here? They just slide right into that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Then you can set these up. You put your pins in, put your shelves on. It's not that big of a deal. I think I can do it in probably a day. Yeah, I'm already figuring it out. The hard part is going to be putting these things together, because you really got to get them right, especially these side pieces. But that'll be like the last thing we do before we put it in. And then these should be pretty simple too. You can see I just hang them on there, and then you put your, you lock them in. And that's it, really. Bam, Bob's your uncle, man. We're going to tear this baby up. Just got to wait for the paint to dry. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I put this thing together. It's going to be, a blast. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So you guys will get a lot of laughs.